Video 6.5 Azure Security Center. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is Azure Security Center? Different versions of Azure Security Center. Use cases of Azure Security Center. What is a security policy? And how to configure one in Azure. Security is necessary for every resource in the Azure cloud. Customers will opt for the Azure cloud services only when their data will be secure in the cloud. We have already learned about the shared security model in which both Azure and customers share the security. We have also learned about several services that provide security to virtual network resources and virtual machines. Without any further ado, let us now learn about the Azure Security Center. Azure Security Center is a unified infrastructure security management system. It allows you to apply security policies on your workloads and give security alerts. It also limits your exposure to threats, and at the same time, it can detect and respond to the attacks. It provides security to all your Azure resources and the services that are running in the on-premise data centers for the hybrid workloads in the cloud. Azure Security Center provides the following tools to help you with the security. It strengthens your security by assessing your environment and enables you to understand whether your resources are secure. It assesses your workloads and protects them from threats. It also provides threat prevention recommendations and security alerts. It lets you secure your resources faster because the Security Center's deployment is easy, providing you with auto-provisioning and protection with Azure services. Azure Security Center has two different versions. Free tier. This is enabled with all Azure subscriptions. It is limited to the assessment and recommendation of Azure resources only. Standard tier. It is available as an extension of the free tier's capabilities by providing security to the workloads that are running in the private cloud or other public clouds. The standard tier also has a threat protection capability that uses machine learning and analytics to identify threats and attacks. Azure Security Center Standard Tier is available for free for 30 days. After the free period, it needs to be upgraded to pay-as-you-go pricing, and it will be charged according to your usage. Azure Security Center can be used in the following situations. 1. When you discover a cybersecurity breach. A cybersecurity breach means a successful attempt made by an attacker to gain unauthorized access to an organization's data. Azure Security Center can be used during the detect, assess, and diagnose stages. In the detect phase, Azure Security Center's dashboard provides you with the high priority security alert that can be reviewed. An initial assessment can be performed in the assess stage to obtain more information about the security alert. In the diagnose phase, a technical investigation can be performed on the security alert and remediation action can be taken. 2. You can also use Azure Security Center to reduce the chances of a significant security event by configuring your security policy and then implementing the recommendations. But what is a security policy? A security policy is a set of controls defining the configuration of your workload, and it makes sure that you are complying with your organization's security requirements. Let us now configure an Azure security policy. Sign in to your Azure account and search for Azure Security Center and select it. In the overview page, you can see the policy and compliance, resource security hygiene, etc. Let us configure a security policy. In the Policy and Compliance blade, select the security policy. In the Policy Management screen, select your subscription. All the available and assigned security policies can be seen here. You can view effective policies by clicking here. These are the default policies. To edit a default policy, you can select this and proceed. Let us now go back to security policies. Industry policies are available here. Click Add More Standards and then add a particular standard by selecting this. Custom initiatives can also be viewed and edited. As you can see, there are no custom initiatives here. To assign and manage custom initiatives, you can select this and proceed. You have now seen how to view and create security policies. In summary, in this video, we have covered the following topics. What is Azure Security Center? Different versions of Azure Security Center. Use cases of Azure Security Center. What is a security policy and how to configure one in Azure? In the next video, we will take a look at the Azure Key Vault.